G'day, it's Jay from Hairstyles by Jay. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do these really loose waves. Okay, so I realised after filming this 2 times that it didn't actually film. So my hair is already a bit curly, but I'm just going to show you how I did those curls and it won't affect the further steps. So you're wanting just to grab the glove and grab a large curling wand. I'm using the Muke. And what we're going to do is grab about a 1-inch section, and you're wanting to put this curling one behind the hair and wrap it away from the face and try and keep the hair as flat as possible for this style. Pinch the end, and then you really want to twist that curling one towards the roots. Be careful not to get stuck or to touch the skin. You're wanting to hold that for about 10 seconds. And then just drop it in your hand. Now it's really important to drop it in your hand. That's going to let it cool and it's actually going to reduce the amount of drop it's going to have. So I like to hold it for about 10 seconds. If you're wanting this to be really structured, I would pin them and let them cool, but I am going for more of that softer wave look, so I'll just hold them in my hand. So then we went away from the face from the left. We're wanting to do the same for the right, so putting the curling one behind the hair, wrapping it around as flat as you can, and then twist. So if you're wanting the hair to be a bit more textured and a bit more natural looking, I would grab uneven sections and change directions, so doing front and then forward and changing that. It's going to give it a lot more volume and yeah, it's going to make it look a bit more messy if that's the look you're going for. I'm going for a bit more of that natural, that sort of wave, so I've done all the same direction for both sides. So now that I've done those 2 curls and taken out the hair I've already curled, I'm going to let them sit for about 10 minutes. The top part has already sat for quite a bit, but those bottom ones do need to cool because they're still quite warm. So yeah, we'll just let it sit for 10 minutes and then we'll start styling. Okay, so I've let my hair cool for a little bit and yes, I'm ready to now style. What I'm wanting to do is put in the Osis. And I like to use the Volume Up. It's like a light hairspray, but also gives a bit of volume. I'll put the link in the description box below. But you're just wanting to give it a really light layer. You're not wanting to use a strong hairspray at this point because we will be combing through, and that's just going to make it extra frizzy. As you may notice, I do have a little bit of frizz. My hair is naturally pretty frizzy, so I like to use the Tame Wild Frizz-Free cream, and just a tiny bit on my hand. I like to really warm it up. It seems to just soak into the hair a lot better and work. Yeah, just so much better if it is warm. And then gently just add it to the curls. So then what we're wanting to do is grab a wide comb. You can either use your hands if you don't have a wide comb, but you're wanting to start at the bottom and just loosely brush out. I'm not wanting to brush too much, so that's probably all I'll do on that side. And then the same again. So I like to just add a little bit of volume around my face, so I'm just going to grab a small section of hair, add some dry shampoo, and then just back comb so slightly, and do the same on this side. And then you also want to tease it back because you don't want that to be super straight. You want a little bit of a bump. If you do notice that there's any ends that you don't like, you can always go back and recurl them. And just kind of play around with how you like it. And then once you're happy, I'm going to go back with the same spray as before. Just add a really light layer, probably a bit more thicker layer than we added before. But this is the end style. So this really loose sort of waves, something really good for every day sort of hairstyle. So this is the end style. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!